is the natvam. Why I am broaching the natvam here is because you have words like Ramena here coming up, Guruna, Gurubhyam like Ra. So these are the words. So you would ask the question why it is Krishnena, why is Danta Kurchena, why is it not Kurchena, why it is Krishnena, and why it is Ramena. So the answer lies in this point called the Natvam. It is called the Natvaniyam. It is a rule which is applied here as to who when your na becomes na. It is initially assumed to be na only, and then from na it will go to na. And how it goes to na in some cases is what we will know now. Give me a minute. See, can you all see this condition for na to become na?
अस्तु
So
दृश्यते.
yeah. So ra, r, and sh are the three letters which cause this na to become na. So now before we start the word Krishna, we all know it is Krishna, but we want to know why it became Krishna and why it not became Krishna. It's because between the na and now you have to see this is na and here there is the word sh. So when you do the varna vinyasam, it is k plus r plus sh plus n plus a. So here before the na halant, you got sh. So these are the three letters r, r, and sh, which makes the na to become na. So ataha this Krishnaha naha becomes Krishnaha. So natvam happens. That is condition number 1. So that is the presence of ra, r, and sh can cause natvam. So that is the first condition. Now it is not always that the na will follow r, r, and sh. It will not happen like that always. Sometimes there will be some aksharams coming in between r, r, sh, and na. So we have to know which are all okay for the natvam and which are all not okay for the natvam. So now there are words which are okay to come between r, r, and sh and na for the natvam to happen. For example, all the swaraksharas, any swara. For example, when you saw the word Ramena, so between ra there comes certain words. Between ra and na came a, then came ma, then came a, then only came na. So these are the words which are permissible. Which are the words, letters which are permissible? Swaraksharas. Then ha, ya, va, ra is permissible. Then kavarga. Kavarga, all the letters of the kavarga. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. And all the letters of the pavarga. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. So all these are permissible to come in between ra, r, and sh and na for the natvam to happen. So even if all of these come in between, the natvam will still happen. But if anything other than this list, for example, you have kavarg, then you have chavarg, tavarg, tavarg. So these chavarg, tavarg, and tavarg, if they come, then the natvam will not happen. It will become na. You saw this example, danta kurchaha. So there it was a chavarg. The cha came in between. So the natvam did not happen. It remained as danta kurchena. But here Ramena, if you see, what was the, see this Ramena. Can you see it? Ra. So you have to do the Varna Vinyasam. So it is ideally, so it normally comes in your head immediately to know what are the letters which are coming in between Ra and Na. But you need to know, to get a better clarity, you need to know what are the aksharams which are coming in between Ra and Na. So here you have Ra plus A plus Ma plus A plus Na plus A. Ramena. This was how you got it. Now, what are the letters which are permissible? Swaraksharas, Kavarg and Pavarg are permissible to come between R and N. See this R. Now, what is this A? It is a Swarakshara. What is the Ma Halant? It is belonging to the Pavarg. So, it is permissible. What is A? Swarakshara. So, A, Ma, A are all permissible. So, this Na becomes Na. Ra, A, Ma, A are all coming in the list of permissible aksharas which are allowed to come between Ra, Rusha and Na. And hence, it became Ramena. But you would ask me the question, in the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam, it was Raman. So why it did not become Raman? Although it satisfies all the condition, one condition there was not satisfied is because the Na Halant came at the end of the word, and that is why it remained Raman and not Raman. Gurun, Kaveen. See, all the Gurun also that condition is satisfying. It is a Ra Halant is coming. But again, it didn't become Gurun. It became Gurun. That is because it was ending with Na Halant. So the condition, very important condition is it cannot end with Na Halant. It has to have a Swarakshara. Here it is in Na. And that is why you have Ramena. Here another example here is
Screen दृश्यते राधिका भगिनी मुखं न दृश्यते.
Screen न दृश्यते.
Screen दृश्यते भवत्याः मुखं न दृश्यते. Expressions न दृश्यते.
दृश्यते वा?
इदानीं दृश्यते.
So now again, as Raman, another word is Rishin. Rishin has both R and Sh, and still it did not get the N, and that is because it ended with Na Halant, and that is why the Natvaniyam it did not satisfy, because Na Halant is appearing. It is not Rishina, it is Rishin. That is why it did not become Na. Now Krishnena, now you do the Varna Vinasam. You have both R and Sh appearing here, but here you have Na as well, and Na is belonging to the Tavarg, Tavarg, and Tavarg is not in the list of Vargas which are satisfying the condition for Natvam. Only Kavarg and Pavarg satisfies the condition. So Ka Ka Ga Ga Nga and Pa Pa Bha Ba Ma, but Tavarg does not satisfy the condition, and hence it remained Krishnena and not Krishnena. So I hope this Natvanyam, see, it requires a lot of practice to find out why some satisfy and some do not. So I urge you all to do abhyasa of this Natvanyama to get a hang of how to change it from Na to Na, or wherever it remains Na. So a lot of abhyasa is required. So I hope this slide is clear to you. So now we move on to the next slide. If there is any doubt, you may please ask, or we move on to the next slide.
Ma'am?
Yes?
This Natvam Abhyasas, where do we get?
I can send you an abhyasa if you so wish.
Okay.
Yeah, there are a lot of words which I have put up on the list. I have sent it in my class too, and I think it must be in the drive if you access the drive. But I'm not sure whether it is there in the drive.
Okay.
But if it isn't, I can send you again in the group after the class, so you can practice. But I urge you all to do the Varna Vinyasam. So that will help you to do the Varna Vinyasam, practice of Varna Vinyasam as well. And you keep on concentrating on what are the rules which are satisfying, what are not. So Ra, Ru, Sha is there, and then you have the Kavarg, Chavarg, kavarg, pavarg, and the swarakshara. And if they are not there, then natvam does not happen. And na halant is there, so natvam does not happen. So that will get into your head very clearly when you actually do the written abhyasa. So that is very, very important. Written abhyasa. So
Thank you.
get two things to do. You know, you do the varna vinyasam, that becomes clear, and the natvaniyam also becomes very clear. So now let us proceed to the. Now I am displaying a sambhashanam. Is it clear to you all? Is it clearly visible? Is it visible clearly?
Yes, yes,
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Yes.
So why I am displaying this sambhashanam is because we want the Sanskrita bhasha not to be in just the Shastras and the Vedas and the prouder Sanskritam. We want it to be, that is the aim of Sanskrita, we have to make it a Vyavahara bhasha. So I urge you all to, now that once we finish the Tritiya Vibhakti, all your Vibhaktis would be done. So I urge you all, especially most of them have finished their exams as well. So every day you do some short sambhashanam. So that will help you to make it a Vyavahara bhasha. Vyavahara bhasha, when you do that in your daily conversation, it makes it very easy. And you will understand that Sanskrita is actually a Sarala bhasha, which you can use it for your daily conversation. And that is the reason, that is the main aim of my displaying a simple conversation which I have written using a lot of Tritiya Vibhakti forms. And I urge you all to do the same. So, because the main aim of a language is, many of you would have this objective that, yes, I need to understand the shlokas better, or Vedas or Vedantas or what. I need to know the meanings of those. So that would be one objective. But the main purpose of language, I feel, is communication. And when is the communication complete? Communication is only complete when the person you are talking to understands what you're trying to say. Only then communication is complete. So I urge you all to use Sarala Bhasha. When you initially do Vakyani, when you're forming sentences, Sarala Vakyani Rachayantu. So that helps you to build up the language slow and steady. Sopana Margena eva gantavyam. You should not just start doing convoluted, complicated sentences. Just start doing simple sentences, and that is the main aim of a conversation. The person whom you're talking to understands what you're trying to say. Then only the conversation is complete. When is a conversation complete? When the person to whom it is addressed to understands. So, Sambhashanam in Sarala Riti is very, very important. That is why I am giving you a Sarala Sambhashanam, where a lot of Tritiya Vibhakti words are there. So if you want to do Grihe Sanskritam is the objective of all of us, so then Sarala Vakyani Vaktavyam, and you have to put it into your daily practice also. Get into the habit of doing your daily, like you say, aham khadami, aham idli upasechanam cha khadami. All that, simple sentences you form and you start writing in your Tippani Pustikas. So you will get a hang of it, and soon you will start forming sentences. Now, this is a conversation between father, mother and son. Putra, now the Putra talks. Amba, this is the, I will also walk you along through some of the Vibhaktis where you must have already done. Amba panchashatam rupyakani avashyakam. Now he is referring to his mother. He is calling out to his mother. So Amba is in the Sambodhana Prathama. And so Amba word is Amba in Sambodhana Prathama. So Amba panchashatam rupyakani avashyakam. He says, I need 500 rupees. And Amba says, Kimartham boho, why do you want it? Why is Kimartham? Panchashatam rupyakaihi kim karishyasi? What will you do with 500 rupees? So, panchashatam rupyakaihi. So that got the tritiya. What will you do with that panchashatam? So you got the tritiya there. Putraha. Aham ankanihi lekhanihi pustakani purchaha cha kretum ichchami. So he says, I need to buy all these things. Ichchami, aham ichchami. Aham is the prathama. Kretum ichchami. Kretum is tumun pratyay. Ichchami is the verb. Aham kretum ichchami. Aham kani kretum ichchami. So he is giving a list of things he wants to buy. Ankanihi, lekhanihi, pustakani, kurchah. These are all in the Dvitiya Vibhakti because these are all the objects. Ankanihi, lekhanihi. These are all Ankanihi, lekhanihi are Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Pustakani, Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. All that I want to buy. So Amba says, Bhavatu. Katham gachasi? She asks the question, Katham, how will you go? So how is the question, one of the questions for Tritiya. How will you go? Putraha says, Basayanena gachami. I will go by bus. So mother asks, Kena saha? With whom are you going? So the putra says, Sureshena saha. So now you will ask me the question, why it is not Sureshena? Because the sha which is coming between ra and na is not in the list of allowed aksharas. The allowed aksharas are a to aha, that is swaraksharas, kavarg ganga and pavarg papabhavama. Sha is not even a vargiya vyanjan. So it is not eligible for that. And hence it is not Sureshena, it is Sureshena. Sureshena saha gachami, he says. Then father says, Astu. Kintu basayanam mastu. He says, don't go by bus. Dvichakrikaya gacha, go by cycle. Basayane bahu samardaha bhavishyati. There will be too much crowd in the basayanam, says his father. His father is worried about coronavirus. So he says, don't go by basayana. Putra, astu. Tarhi padabhyam gachami. He doesn't want to go by cycle with Suresha. So he says, I will go by walk only. Padabhyam gachami. Then he says, I will go to the mandiram. Mandiram gatva punaragamishyami. He will say, from there, from the apanam, I will go to mandir and then only I will come back. Mandiram gatva. See, this gatva is tva pratyay, which you all have done. And before that, any word which comes before the tva pratyay will get the dvitiya. So mandiram, although is napunsakalinga, it is this, here it is dvitiya. Mandiram gatva agamishyami. Now the word here, the verb here is agamishyami. Now, kaha agamishyami? Aham agamishyami. So aham is the prathama. So aham mandiram gatva punaragamishyami. Ekahoranantaram putra agatya khedena upavishati. He is now sitting with, now khedena. He's sad, he's upset. So khedena, after having come, agatya, khedena upavishati, is with little bit of sorrow, he's sitting down. So now his father is asking, Putra, kim abhavat? What happened? Abhavat is langlakar of bhudatu. Putra says, Putra is Sambodhana Prathama and hence Putra. Putra says, Aham mandiram agacham. I had gone to the mandir. Sureshena sakam tasya karayanena. I had gone with Suresh in his car only. So his father says, what happened, Tari? Devyaha pratimayaha alankaraha bahu uttamaha asit. Now he's describing the alankaram of the Devi idol. Devyaha pratimayaha, the Shashti Vibhakti. Devyaha, the goddess's idol's alankara was very beautiful. Bahu uttamam asit. Archakaha bahubihi sundaribihi malabihi murtim alankritavan. Bahubihi. He had used many beautiful garlands to decorate the idol. So these are the instrument for decoration. Many beautiful garlands. Bahubihi, Sundaribihi, Malabihi. The mala is the main Visheshanam and Bahubihi, I'm sorry, Visheshya. Bahubihi and Sundaribihi. These are all describing the mala. Many beautiful. So they all get the Tritiya. Bahubihi, Sundaribihi, Malabihi. He decorated. Avam drishtva anandena geetam agayava. We all were so happy, both of us, Avam, drishtva anandena geetam. We both sang songs after having seen the idol so beautifully decorated. Janaka says, Bahu uttamam putra. Khedena kim prayojanam. So he says, why are you upset? So the putra says, Aham vadami, I will tell you why I am upset. Avam archakaya panchashat rupyakani adattam. We gave him 50 rupees. Avam drishtva santoshena saha avadat. Saha is implied here. It is not written, it is implied. He is very happy. So santoshena. Again, emotions for Tritiya. Bahudinebhyah bhavatoho darshanam praptam. I have seen you after a long time. So I say, Corona karanena eva acharya. So it is because of Corona we did not come. Corona karanena eva acharya. Here there is a mistake. I hope you can spot it. Corona, it is actually, we call it as Corona, so I typed it as Corona, but you can write it in Sanskritam as Corona, because here R and O is there, and after that the N becomes N. So you can write it as Corona. Corona karanena eva acharya. Adhya arabhya avam prati ravivasaram agamishyavah. He tells the acharya, from today we will come every day. We both avam. So we both will come every Sunday. Archakah dukkhena uktavan. He is very sad. Bahu kashtena jivami putra. Kashtena. So this is another emotion. I am living life with lot of difficulties. Shadamasa vetanam api na praptam. I did not get 6 months salary even, because the temples were closed. Mama putrena karnena bhadiraha asti. Karnena. So my son is deaf. Tasya chikitsayaha krite api dhanam avashyakam. So chikitsayaha krite. Again here shashti. Tasya shashti. And karnena badiraha. So the defect is lying in the ear. So that ear gets the tritiya. Karnena badiraha. Tasya chikitsayaha krite dhanam avashyakam. Kim avashyakam? Dhanam avashyakam. Bhavantau tu janati eva yat dhanena vina jivanam kashtam. Both of you, bhavantau, tu janati eva, both of you know that without money, jivanam is very difficult. The jivanam kashtam, dhanena vina. So here you have dhanena because of vina. Vina is the word avyayam which causes the dhanam to get the tritiya vibhakti. So the putra tells the father, we said, avam avadava, Chinta mastu acharya, don't worry acharya, chinta mastu. Avam mitraihi saha charcham kritva bhavatah sahayam karishyavaha. We will discuss with our friends. So saha, the mitraihi is the tritiya bahuvachanam. It got the tritiya on account of the avyayam saha. So we will discuss with our friends and we will definitely help you. Karishyavaha, we will help you, both of us. Sahatu tvaraya premena alingitavan. He immediately hugged us out of love. Premena, tvaraya. Immediately, tvaraya. Tvara, tvaraya. Prema, premena. So his father gets angry because he's thinking of the coronavirus and the social distancing. Kinchit krodena, little bit angry. Bhavatu putraha sahayam kurvantu. Help him. Kintu alinganam mastu. Don't hug. Tvam janasi khalu aham kimartam uktavan. Alam pramadena. Don't be so promiscuous. Do take action. Take care, due diligence before you do all such things. Aham savadhanena karyam karumi. I will do it with lot of care. Don't worry, father. So he says, that time when I did this conversation, that time vaccine had not come. Now also it is not available for us. Very soon it will be. But that time vaccine was not available. So he says, yes, I will do with great care because the vaccine has not yet come. So thus ends the conversation between the son and his parents with lot of Tritiya Vibhakti. Here, all the conditions are there. Sadhanam, he's money to buy the list of items which he decided to buy, got the Tritiya. Dasha Rupya, Panchashatam Rupyakaihi. Then Yanam, Padabhyam, Dvichakrikaya, Vasayanena, all those were Yanam. Then Saha, Sureshena Saha, Mitraihi Saha, Sureshena Sakam. We use that as well. Then Vina. we know alam, alam pramadena, alam kolahalena, alam. Then we used kim prayojanam, vilapena kim prayojanam. He was sad, so his father asked him, what is the use? And we used the physical disability thing is karnena badiraha. My son is deaf, so karnena badiraha. So in this conversation, we used all the situations under which the Tritiya Vibhakti comes. So this is how you make simple sentences and use the Vibhakti. So I urge you all to do this for all the Vibhaktis and form very, very simple sentences and understand the Vibhakti in a better manner. So in this conversation, it is out there in the drive. So what are the things that you analyze? Is you analyze the Nama Padam, you have the Putra, the Amba, Janakaha, then you have the Sarvanama Pada, Saha, and all that. Then you have Avyayams like Saham, Sakam, Krite. Then you have lot of Kriya Padams, either in Bahuvachanam, Dvivachanam, Ekavachanam, all that you have. Then you have to find the Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, the Lekhana Niyamahas. What is the Lekhana Niyamas? I hope you know where you have to use the Anuswara and where you have to use the Mahalant. I hope you all know that. But if you don't, Anuswara is used when it is followed by a consonant. When the, for example, here, Aham Savadhanena. So the Sa is a consonant and hence the Aham is not written as with Mahalant. So that is a Lekhana Niyama. And here, here you use Agatam. So you use the Mahalant because it is ending in a Mahalant. The sentence is ending here. So you use the Mahalant and not the Anuswara. Anuswara, and also when it is followed by a Swarakshara, you will use Mahalant. I don't know whether it is there in any of these sentences. I'll just go through it once. No, I think you can look for it in the, when you actually read it again. So when the Anuswara is followed by a Swarakshara, the Anuswara will be changed to the Mahalant. But when it is followed by a consonant, it will be Anuswara itself. Also, when it is at the end of the sentence, you will not use Anuswara, you will use Mahalant. And if it's at the end of the word, for example, in Vibhakti, you have Ramanam ending in Mahalant. So you cannot use the Anuswara, you have to use the Mahalant. So these are the Lekhana Niyamaha. So you observe for that as well, and you also observe for the Natva Niyamas, where you have used Sureshena didn't get the Na. So all that you can see why you got it, why you did not get it. So all these you should be able to analyze using this conversation. Astu tarhi vayam forms prati gacchamaha. Is there any doubt in this? Any doubt? So, okay, then we proceed to the forms. Can you see this on the screen? Drishyate va?
Na drishyate.
Na drishyate va?
न दृश्यं शक्यामि
न दृश्यते
Idanim drishyate?
मैम न दृश्यते मैम
Okay.
आम् महोदय. I have seen something. No,
Screen Explorer drishyate.
Yeah,
Okay.
दृश्यते
File udghadanam karotu.
Idanim drishyate va?
Slide 2 udghadanam karotu.
Na drishyate va? Tritiya vibhakti. Idanim drishyate?
No.
Huh?
No.
Explorer.
No.
Explorer.
No, madam.
Explorer दृश्यते.
तत्र स्लाइड 2 मध्ये गत्वा उद्घाटनं करोतु. अनन्तरं दर्शयतु।
इदानीं
दृश्यते मैम, दृश्यते।
Yes.
आम् महोदय, थैंक यू, धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।